Yeah. Smile. Smile. Hey, Bear. Who's your boyfriend? Hey. Come here. Come here, boy. You gonna stay out of the street? You too? Come on, y'all go out here and play. Come on. Ah. You're too close, man. There you go. That's it. Put on a show. Come on. No. Go play with your girlfriend. Go on. Come here, Bear. That one's jealous. She is real jealous. Sorry. Okay, that's enough. You smell like a skunk this morning. What happened? Did somebody give you a bath? Goodness gracious. Okay, that's enough.